Question 8. Derek works for a company which designs and fits kitchen cupboards. Kitchen cupboards and worktops are usually measured in millimetres. A worktop is 4,500 millilitres long. How much is this in metres? So 10 millimetres is 1 centimetre. So if I divide that by 10, it becomes 450 centimetres. There's then 100 centimetres in a metre. So if I divide that by 100, alright, the answer now becomes 4.5 metres. A rectangular worktop needs to be covered in a special varnish. The worktop measures 3,000 millimetres by 700 millimetres wide. Calculate the area. Because they want the area in metres squared, I'm going to change them both into metres. So 3,000 millimetres is, as we said, divide by 10 is 300 centimetres, which is 3 metres. 700 millimetres divide by 10 is 70 centimetres, which becomes 0.7 metres. Area of a rectangle is length times width, and 0.7 times 3 is 2.1 metres squared. The kitchen cupboard is in the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid is like a box. The volume of a cuboid is length times width times height. So it's capacity. So the volume of my cuboid is 420,000, and that is equal to 60 times 70 times the height. So 6 sevens are 42, add the 2 zeros, so 4,200 times the height is 420,000. So now to get the height on its own, I'm going to divide 420 by 4,200. Cross the 1 zero off, cross the 2 zeros. How many 42s in 42? Once, 2 left over. So the answer to that, the height is 100 centimetres. Part C. The kitchen measures 301 centimetres to the nearest centimetre. With these upper and lower bounds, you always half what is nearest to. So a half of 1 is 0.5. Okay, so that means the shortest would be 301 take away 0.5, which is 300.5. And my longest would be 301 plus 0.5, which is 301.5. Derek needs to fit 2 of these worktops together along a measuring wall 605, correct to the nearest 5 centimetres. So for that one there, a half of 5 is 2.5. So my shortest wall would be 605 take away 2.5, which is 602.5. And my longest wall would be 605 plus 2.5, which is 607.5. Unfortunately, finds the worktops do not fit. So the worktops are going to be too long. So 2 of these worktops are going to be too long to fit in the gap. So explain why this might have happened and state the greatest possible difference between the lengths on the wall and the 2 worktops. For it not to fit in, you need long worktops. So 2 times the longest worktop would be 2 times 301.5, which is 603 centimetres. And the shortest gap is 602.5. So that would leave 0.5 centimetres too long. So basically, the 2 longest worktops are 0.5 centimetres longer than the shortest gap.